I mean, how many hours are you guys spending on these 5 laundromats right now?
Well, this past weekend, when a 4-year-old set off a fire extinguisher and coated the entire store in powder, or a normal week? No, I'm in the stores.
Sounds like a good
we,
time to me. I don't know.
It was
no, it's a
awful.
great time. I was in such a
Not for
good
you, for
mood.
the 4-year-old.
Oh yeah, he had a great time. It's like
Yeah.
a foam party. You know those foam parties they have at the clubs? Like this was a powder party. But on a normal week, I'm in the stores at least 5 days a week. All of the stores, except the attended one. I'm there a little bit less. I'm there like 2 to 3 times a week. I have a cleaning company that comes in 7 afternoons to all the stores and 5 mornings. So I'm sorry, in 2 mornings. So I go to all of the stores 5 mornings and then throughout the day. They're all relatively close to us, so I pop in throughout the day. We're heavy on the cameras and security, so if I see something in the stores I don't like, I'll take a ride out and fix it. Yeah, so at least 5 days a week I'm at every one of our unattended stores, and then a couple of days a week on the attended store. So, and it just depends, like overall hours. We like to enjoy our summers in New England. They're so short, so I try to front load my work schedule, do all the grunt work, the build outs, the equipment changes, anything big project wise. I try to do that over the winter, and then try to enjoy, the summer as much as possible. So that's one of the benefits, like you say, of the laundromat business, is that you're able to do things like that if you set things up properly and are able, to do it. And we feel like we're at a good spot right now that we're able to do that. So